Welcome. My name is Carrie Donnelly, and I'm the director of the Chapel Hill Analytical and Nanofabrication Lab, or CHANNEL, at UNC. Today I'm joined by Catherine McInnes, a graduate student at UNC, who will be showing you how to prepare samples for X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, or XPS.
Hello, Carrie. The samples that we'll be analyzing are carbon films on silicon substrates. Both the silicon and the carbon are conductive, which is ideal for XPS. In my research, I'm trying to modify the top layer of carbon atoms by attaching different atoms like chlorine and sulfur to the surface, and XPS is an ideal technique to determine if I've been successful. My research is focused on trying to use these surfaces to produce hydrogen gas, a renewable source of energy. My samples are in the lab, so let's go there now. Here are my XPS samples and the sample bar that I will attach them to. Because XPS is so surface sensitive, I want to make sure that I don't touch the surface of the samples with my fingers. I'm wearing gloves to keep the oil on my hands off the sample bar and the samples. And I'm going to make sure that I only handle the samples with clean tweezers. Sample holders for different XPS systems will be slightly different, but the same concepts apply for all of them. We want to do two things. First, adhere the sample to the sample holder, and second, try to make good electrical contact between the top surface of the sample and the sample holder. These small copper bars can be used for both tasks. The corner of the sample can be placed under one of the copper bars, and the small screws can be gently tightened to hold the sample in place. To make sure that the sample is held securely in place, I'll use the tweezers to make sure the samples won't move. I can load additional samples on the sample holder in the same way, and once I finish, the samples are ready to be loaded into the XPS chamber.